In today's video, I am going to show you how to make this adorable basket using paint sticks from the dollar store. If you want to learn how to make your own, stick around. I've got the full tutorial coming right up. Hey there, welcome to Creative Ramblings. Today's video is part of the Dollar Store DIY Challenge, hosted by Love, Create, Celebrate, and Lemon Thistle. Their channels are linked down below, so be sure to go check them out. Let's jump right into this tutorial. We are making a cute basket that's gonna help decorate for fall. So I picked up an embroidery hoop, actually two embroidery hoops. We're going to use two different sizes for this, a small one and a large one. And then I picked up a couple packs of paint sticks at the dollar store. And I'm gonna start by just painting everything a light gray. I wanna make sure that I paint all sides, inside, outside, front, back of the hoops and the paint sticks. The smaller hoop is going to be the bottom of the basket. So I'm going to trace this hoop onto a piece of foam board. You can get this at the dollar store as well, and then use a craft knife to cut it out. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue and secure that piece of foam to the hoop. I do want to make sure I leave a little lip between the top of the foam and the top of the embroidery hoop. Now we can start assembling the basket. So using a little bit of hot glue, I am just going to glue the paint sticks around that inner rim of the embroidery hoop. So the sticks are stuck to both the foam core and the side. Hot glue usually works for this, but if you're finding that your sticks aren't holding up very well, you can use something like an E6000 or a really strong craft glue. Once everything on the bottom is in place, we're going to add the top hoop. So we're just gonna slide this over the top of the sticks and kind of hold it in place where I want it. Then using a little glue, I am going to start attaching the paint sticks to the inside of this top hoop. It's best to attach one and then move to the paint stick on the opposite side and attach that one. And then just work your way around. Be sure to hold these tight in place for about a minute after you apply the hot glue to make sure it sticks really well. And that's it. Everything is assembled. Now let's go decorate this for fall. I'm gonna fill this basket with just a piece of burlap fabric that I had left over, and I'm gonna add some apples to it right now. I can replace this with pumpkins a little bit down the road. I could even add ornaments or something to this for the Christmas season. I hope this inspired you to create something fun using dollar store items. If you want more inspiration, go check out the dollar store playlist, again hosted by Love, Create, Celebrate, and Lemon Thistle. That playlist is full of all kinds of amazing videos. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss my next simple, inspiring project. Thanks so much for watching.